is Kavita again from Good Luck Modules. Today I will show you one of the best kitchen which I like the most, the best design what is done by us, the best quality of product what we are going to show it. Today you can see this kitchen, it is a PU kitchen. You can see the look, it is a handleless kitchen. You can see it's a combination of a beige and a black color. It gives you an open kitchen look which have a bar unit in it. You have a lot many things. So I will show you the detailing of the kitchen, how it works. Now if you see this, here we have used a glass counter which have been a bend over. So this glass counter can be used as your breakfast table or a chicken chatting table, like when you have a cocktail, when you have a kitty party at your house. The girls, the cooking area, everything can be done. We start from here. We have a wicker basket in this area. You see the wicker baskets, this can be for your fruits, for your onion and for your potatoes. The wicker baskets have to be open for the moisture does not absorb. So we move around to the kitchen from here. Here you can see a wet and dry dustbin which is very easy to use and removed and place. Here you see it's a detergent pull out. This entire thing what we have utilized, the bottom area of the sink which people feel it is the most the wasted area of the kitchen, but we have tried to utilize each and every inches of the kitchen on this side. This is an Innotek drawers with all the different fittings. If you see, we have used glass on the bottom, we have railings on the top, and we have different railings. You even get this in different colors like white, silver and black. Now this is a unit which this unit is enough for your cooking. You have all your cutlery here, you can have your oil containers, your knife, your forks, whatever is required for cooking. A single drawer can solve all your problems. You have your chopping board, you have all your things, your oil containers. Here you can place your masalas. This is for your knives, your cutleries. Everything can be placed in one drawer. So now you have a L shape here. Usually we have a concern how to use our L. So this is called a swing tray, which gives you a perfect use of your corners of your kitchen. Okay, and it have a soft closing effect. You have to leave it to get it down. So this have a soft closing effect. If you see, everything is going softly to the position back. You need to close it. Even this have a soft closing effect. You do not need to worry. You need to leave it. It will just go to a soft closing effect. You again have an Innotek drawers. We even call it tendon drawers. Even here you can see the different partition. Here you can see a glass. That's an aluminum partition. This is basically for your heavy grains, your heavy storage, your big utensils, and all the weight taking capacities are 40 to 70 kgs again. So we'll come to the another corner of your kitchen, because this is a C-shaped kitchen. You get two corners. So here what will I show it to you? It's called a universal magic corner. If you see all the baskets, you are able to utilize the corner basket on this side. It's very easy to use and keep all the baskets on a hook. It can be replaced according to your requirement, replaced, cleaned and everything. All the 4 baskets are very easy to remove. One thing I forgot to tell you about this drawers. If you would have noticed, when I open this drawer, it has a sensor light inside. So now when I'm opening it, a sensor light will get on. So there's a lights inside. So this is an add-on value which you can do it in your kitchen by putting a sensor light inside. So let's come here. Here we have kept a drop like that, because this kitchen is an open kitchen. It has a lot of, you can even sit here while chopping, while chatting or anything. So this is a unit with a storage and you can utilize for many other things. But with this sitting gives you a little traditional look. So here you have shelves Here you have this unit which can be easily removed for your cleaning. Like you can put your cleaning things here, it can be removed, wipe everything, and it can be get back and it can be placed on the same thing. Even this have a soft closing effect. So let's go to the upper part of the kitchen, and this kitchen, I will end this kitchen with a very beautiful unit, but because that is one of my favorite unit, but let's start to get you on this. Here we have displayed some rack for your wine bottles. You can place as many as bottles like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in rack. This is one of the unit that sometimes a lady like me of less than 5 feet high has a problem to get the things from the top. So this is the one of the unit which can be get your things down. You can take the unit, you can get your stuff and push it down. So this is one of the unit can be utilized like a lady of a low height. Now this is one of the unit. If you see this cabinet is a very different cabinet. If you see it from the bottom, it's give you a 45-degree opening. It's even technically it is called a Lady Suzanne corner. And here we have placed some grain unit. A person which is very conscious about the diet, whatever grams per year, you can store your things at the top of it. You can get the thing like 150 gram, 300 gram. Trays can be used, so you get the perfect measurements of thing whatever you are. It rolls out. If you don't take this unit up, then it's a good big storage you get in this place, like a very deep storage. Now here if you see we have used the uplifts. On the top there is no handles. If you have noticed there is no handles we are given it here. So you see if we have given a profile, a handle profile which is called, that is fixed to the cabinet. So when you get this shutter down, you get it down, you need to put your finger here and then you can open this. So this will give you a handleless kitchen on the top. That's one kind of uplift. This is another kind of uplift. This is definitely not for a shorter woman like me. This is a storage with the glass shelves. Normal hydraulics. And here we have used push buttons or push-ups included. Okay, so this is called push buttons. So even this can be used for a handleless kitchen. Now here we have just used some designer shelves to give a different look. We have used some slopes and we can use a lot of space just to keep an open thing. Now this is what I was talking about, the best part of the kitchen, the best unit what I like in more. But this shutter what you see is little membrane shutters. So it has been done on HD HMR, which is much more which is equivalent to a marine ply if you think of that. Now this is a pantry unit, a glass pantry unit, which will have a lot of storage, a lot of your grains, all your snacks, and a lot of space in this unit. So half of the unit is on the shutter and half of the unit is in the cabinet. So when you close it, it works like this. When you open it, it works like this. Simultaneously, this is the crockery unit what we have placed. It can be called as a crockery unit, or it can be called a wine unit, or a bar unit, anything what can be. If you see this, even here we have not used any handles in both of this unit. We have tried to use a Gola profile in the center. Okay, and this Gola profile has been coated as a black color to give a similar look of the kitchen. So while opening this unit, we have this space. So when opening this unit, you need to do it, you put your hands like this, while opening this unit like this. This is how. And this is one of my favorite design. Everywhere there is no handles used in this kitchen. If you see the grooving of this kitchen will give you a board kind of shape. There are no handles in the kitchen, in the top unit, in the bottom unit. This is just a handleless kitchen, and this is very beautiful. I especially admire this kitchen here. Thank you.